Good with it, y'all. We finna head to, hold on now, chill. Finna head to the boy Ace game, man. Oh, I know he's gonna be a bucket. So shoot, I know this is a weird way to start it off, but this how we gonna get it, man. Let go. Where we at?
Hey, what's going on, guys? We're just here at Rice Box. Just getting some dinner after a long day of working. Just refueling, really, man. So that's probably about it.
Yeah. So, could you explain what just transpired?
I just let the Lord use me, you know? Just let God use me, let Him work through me. And then, you know, I was gonna go one direction. Oh, it took me another. You know, I should have turned left to go to Japan House. Instead, we're here at the Rice Box. So, you know.
So, that little episodes you had in the middle of the street, what was that?
Can I look through your camera and see what episode you want to see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, you can't, no.
Cut the camera off so I can see.
Dre with the Draco, what's happening, player? This guy here. Can't tell you what you like, brother.
Yes. Do you prefer the steak over the chicken or chicken over the steak?
This guy here.
Chicken.
Get the chicken. Get the chicken, man. Golly, Trey.
The chicken too.
Look straw. Now, pay close attention. This is how I rate a restaurant. You see my drink, right? See how quickly it gets refilled. Because that'll let me know how much of a tip they want.
That's facts.
That's big old facts. Ain't that Dre with the Draco?
You know, he a captain. So.
They are. Excuse me, young man. What was that you just said?
You know he a captain. So
the reason why this is such a very interesting test that we're going to perform here today is because we came at the wee hour. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Oh, yeah, man.
Take back everything I was going to say.
Yeah, that nasty straw you got. We gonna definitely, you need to pray over that straw, bro. Cause, oh Lord,
I think the Lord wants to hear my prayer to that straw.
Yeah, that's why you should get another one, brother.
My boy Rachel, my tumble was talking.
Okay, all right. Oh, snap. Focus up before my camera dies. This is the egg rolls and everything like that. You know, yeah. Look at my food, y'all, before my camera dies. That junk is very, very delicious. I ain't gonna much lie to y'all. I ain't gonna much lie to you. Hold on, let me get a bite for y'all real quick. Oh, appreciate you, brother. Don't get the strap up in this room. Have a meal with me. You know, yeah.
How's your food, Dre? You feeling it?
You like that junk?
Yes, Dre.
Hey, he was just burning up, y'all. The man just was, I'm talking about choked. Hold on.
Let me reenact Dre, please.
The man just about choked. What do you do, Ed? He doing it again.
Right now. All I heard is the sound of the table shake. I looked over. This man Drake was over here transforming.
Oh snap. 5. The meal was 5. Now we finna head to the Bribowski and get on these edits, man. Dre, how was your meal, man?
Actually, ask Edison about his meal. No. Go ahead. Ask him about your meal. Ask him about his meal.
How was your meal, bro?
Ask him his to-go meal. Ask him about his to-go meal right there.
Dang, somebody got. You think Shotty got me?
Oh snap.
They didn't have an extra to-go box.
Damn.
Shotty, all I said is subscribe. That's it.
Nigga, she asked.
What's good with it, y'all? You know, Bonnet Cadet in the building, you feel me? You know, big bonnet boys, y'all let me know. You know what I'm saying? If you got long hair, do you rocks with the bonnet? You feel me? But anyway, man, today, it's a new day right now. I just wrapped up a pair of cartoon joints. These will be one of the pairs that I'm gonna have at the sneaker event I'm gonna be at on the 11th. Oh, big Christmas. Well, that's if they don't sell before then, cause we must get chicken. Y'all know how it go. But yeah, man, got these done, wrapped up. Now I'm working on a pair of Joker Vans. You know, old school guys. You feel me? So I'm finna get these done. Finna start the airbrushing on those. Unfortunately, I mean, I done did like 3-4 videos of Joker. So if y'all, you know, ain't seen that by now, go check that out. And I'm just gonna get this stuff done, man, and check back in with y'all in a little while. Dre with the Draco taking the product pictures. You know, yeah. Getting it done, man. Look at my boy. Look at him. Don't play attention to his feet, y'all. Don't look at his feet, man. Let's look at that boy working, man. Yeah, super fat. Hold on, let me focus up real quick. But yeah, man, we getting these product pictures taken, all that kind of stuff. If you want this pair, they are size 5.5 youth. Feel me? I mean, I don't know if they will be available by the time this video goes up. But if they still are, definitely, you know, hit me up. Go to the website. They'll probably be on there if they are still available. Other than that, man, I'm finna show y'all what kind of progress I done made on these, on the Joker joints. This is what we got so far, y'all. Why the colors looking like that? That look red. That is not red. That's definitely purple. This is yellow. But everything else looking right. Besides, why is this looking red? I don't know where. It don't look nothing like. Hold on, y'all. Let me see something. There we go. Well, that just still looking red. I don't know, man. But y'all see what's going on, bro. I'm a good amount. I got a good amount done with these. Y'all know. Now we just gotta keep on going, bro. Yes, sir. Got these finished. Oh, they looking spiffy. Oh, clean. Oh, this is my first time doing a Joker theme on some Vans. So, man, I really like how they came out. You know what I'm saying? Big high highs and all that, the dice and everything. Check out the other one. Oh, I love how this came out, like the shading and everything. Haha, it's on the little line.
Yeah.
Look at this guy.
Thought that.
Nah, I threw you the oop. That's what happened.
Okay.
Yeah. You thought you had interrupted my little but you know I'm a big press. That's what they call me at least. No, all that good stuff, man. These will be available on the website. I don't know. I might let y'all pick y'all sizes in these too. If y'all want, y'all let me know, man. If I should add these to the website so you can pick different sizes and all that kind of stuff if you want to. But that's it for these right now. On to the next thing. Young Addy over there in the cut, whipping up that dope. Straight crack. I'm talking about meth.
Okay.
Dope.
Oh, man,
I'm talking about something that is more addictive than just about anything on this earth. Wow, look at him.
Dre, what's a hotkey to convert something?
And you know, oh, look at his hair. What is going on? Man, look.
I'm not sure.
I'm down bad. I told y'all, one of y'all aunties, cousins, you know what I'm saying, go get your little sister, your big sister, your mama, somebody. Get them folk to do my hair, man. Somebody please come do my hair. It's bad out here, but I'm still talented. Let me show you what I mean.
They just click right here.
I'm whipping dope up, man.
Because I remember
we making merch right now for one of the shows that we watching. We really digging that guy. So, you know, if we really like it, man, we got to make that merch so we can wear it in the video, show our support. You know, this is just one of the nicknames that we gave to some of the characters. Red Body Shouty. You know what I'm saying? It's not finished. I'm going to show y'all the finished project in just a few, man. So, how long? Zane and y'all, you know, don't worry about how long. What's that, y'all? You know, it's a little new day and everything for me. You hear me? But man, we finna take these little pictures. I finished wrapping up the hoodie. You feel me? Look at that. Hold on. I done yeah. Hold on, it's bright out here. Let me darken it up, yeah. Everybody shout is in the building. Good little merch for the Everyday Negro channel, but look at it, man. Staring off into space.
Just waiting, you know.
I think he's upset that I'm filming right now for y'all.
No, I'm not upset. Just wait.
Do y'all see the constant foolishness I have to deal with? Man, I say Addy, man, you know. Let me go on and get to these pictures before, you know, I get the whip. Before I get the whip. Fire. Knock that junk out, you know what I'm saying? That's what we do, y'all. We get shit done. Now we finna go right back up in here, edit the video. Well, damn, my bad. Edit the photo, then drop them guys on y'all. Yeah. Yeah, he tried to get these shoes laced up and done without me. Look at this young man. Hold on, let me brighten him up. Oh, that darkened him. Look at this young man, yeah.
Right now, y'all.
You was trying to be great without me. That's what you do?
Beach.
Look at these shoes, man. Look at them, yeah. If you want a pair, all you have to do is hit the Etsy, man. Ball all day Etsy. Hold on. Get a little bit better lighting. You know, bam, bam, boogity, nice and splatter. Fire. And we throw them neon shoestrings in them guys and set them all the way off. Young Addy, man. Good dude, man.
Hey, Dom.
Alright, y'all, we gotta go ship some stuff off today. Well, right now, I gotta ship some stuff off. Hey, I gotta ship some stuff out too. You know how we getting down, man. Just keeping it moving. Charlotte, what you doing? What you doing, Charlotte? Yo. But let's get it, man. I see this young man right here. This foul young man right here. I'll tell y'all what he did. It's just going to the post office and everything. Just to drop off some stuff. You know. I had asked him earlier what we going to the mall to fill out this raffle for these cool gray Jordan 11s. That's correct, right, brother?
That's correct.
That's correct.
What did I say?
He said after he finishes, what was it, edit or something like that?
After I wrap up the things that had to do with
Yeah, all that.
I said that right?
Yeah, he said that.
So now I interject in when I said we were going to the post office. Because I actually never said we were going to the post office this month. Oh, the exposure is going well right now.
You just said we were going to the post office when I asked you.
When you just asked me?
When I just asked you before we left out the house.
No.
Yes, I did. I said,
bro.
You going to the post office? He was like, yeah.
You asked me about tape? You asked me about, matter of fact, then you picked up the camera and he said something about, oh, this man don't start up the strings without me. That.
It's windy out there, guy.
I don't think he's gonna get up today.
You don't think so, bro?
Nah, I'm gonna be honest. I think the first time I was like, all y'all do. Take times like,
Dang, that's
what you think, bro? I don't know.
I think it might actually be a real raffle this time.
No, last time was a real raffle.
No. You know, they just picked us.
No, they did not, bro. No, listen to me.
I talked to the girl.
No, bro, I talked to her too. When we did the raffle, dude even told me, he said, bro, y'all gonna get them. Ain't that many, it's not that many people who come through. That's what I'm saying.
That's what she was like. Okay.
It wasn't like we didn't actually get them. We got them because it was not that many people who came through.
Okay, that makes sense.
So,
that makes sense.
So the thing is, but this one I can see. Oh no, you feel like the cool grays are more exclusive than the 12?
Yeah, that's difficult. I don't think so.
I think the 12s were
because
they both over the 200 price.
With the 11s, like over the past couple of years, they literally have been making like 1 million pair of them. So I don't know, bro. They probably get a lot of sizes in, and I don't think a lot of people know about filling the raffle out there.
That's what I'm saying.
So I don't know. It may be another case of like last time where it wasn't that many people, and we get them guys.
Because as soon as we walked in, raffle. That's what she said.
Yeah. She already know what's going on. She's familiar with our faces, man. We've come in there and we've bought many shoes in our day. She's witnessed it. So hopefully she show us some familiar love.
Tomorrow I gotta tell my boy Dre to go enter that raffle for me too.
That's a fact. That's a fact. I need to get somebody in there more for me.
I'm gonna tell Dominic go up there.
That's a fact. I'm gonna tell Madison go up there.
Oh, okay. She do not got no ID.
Let's go.
I wonder if there's a raffle up this city here.
I don't know. It might be. Didn't they say they raffled all the ones off?
I don't know what they said.
They did.
That's just what they said.
Of course I don't trust it.